We've all heard the pitch: buy an electric vehicle, stop paying for fuel, and save means zero ownership. Today, we're peeling back the sticker price to reveal the hidden expenses dealerships gloss over.
The first surprise? Setting up your home. While the car is ready, your parking spot might not be. Installing a dedicated wall-mounted charger often requires a significant, one-time investment to get started. If you live in an apartment, you face society fees, parking allocation, and electrical load upgrades. It's a necessary step, but a hurdle that rarely gets factored into the initial showroom sales pitch. Then, there's the insurance. Because electric vehicles have higher purchase prices, your annual premium is costlier. Specialized battery components also add to the insurance burden compared to your standard petrol vehicle. And don't forget the tires. That instant torque we love is actually quite hard on the rubber. Combined with the heavy battery pack, you'll likely find yourself at the tire shop much sooner than expected.
So, should you be scared? Not at all. For most buyers, the long-term math still works out. If you are a high-usage driver, the massive fuel savings will effectively pay for these hidden expenses.
Those savings accumulate significantly over time, often offsetting the initial setup and maintenance cost hurdles. It's a balancing act of your daily usage patterns versus these unavoidable, upfront ownership costs. With modern battery warranties, the biggest long-term concern, battery replacement, is largely mitigated during your ownership.
EVs are a sound choice for high-usage commuters, but low-usage drivers need more time. Is the switch worth it for you? Let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe.